Tops. Well, let's eat. Let's feast. Let's eat while we feast. And let's eat some. Let's eat some. Let's eat some kielbasa. Well, we will eat while we feast. And drink some. Well, we're eating right next to a cemetery. Some poor souls might wake up, some probably would not have been awoken. We already know the promises that have been taken to the youngest souls. They have been led by the old ones, and old ones are never been led by the young ones. Actually, it's the opposite. The young souls are always being led by the well, smooshy. I'm a bit grey. Well, because I haven't slept, obviously. Why would I haven't been any grey? Let's gulp some water. Mind is a mysterious place. If it's dried, it can live its fullest. The brain itself is a Jurassic Park. Well, let's tame the hunger. Wow, so plastic. I remember the time where I was at a village. It all was way natural. I was feasting. The product is, well, the sausage is boiled, steamed. It's not steamed, but it's kind of smoked. And it's red pork. The product placement is Belgium. Well, we could have tried of a Ukrainian descent, probably the import and export is way out of the ordinary. Let's blow away all this fattiness and flagginess out of the blue. The taste is quite soft, smooth. Great consistency. Especially, I deserve this as a bomb. Well, in Ukraine, I'm a fiscal citizen. I moved from a war taking place, overturned war taking place. You see? The railway. the railway. It feels like it presses down the it presses down the train magnetization. Oh no, it subtracts. But let me swallow that. Tastiness. Oh no, I waved enough. Well, it was well pressured. And to finish that and to finalize this all up, let's let's smoke it some up. My bomb findings. Собрание. Well, it was made since 1879. Cocktail Собрание, which is definitely Russian cigarettes repacked in Ukraine. But this mark is definitely Ukrainian, without any misjudgments. The taste is timid, halfly solid, halfly mixed. You know, this definitely for sure that Sabrania was definitely made in London, but the original benchmark was fully Russian, the factory. But you see, right now it was reclaimed. On the front side, it's the child. It takes the consequences. But let's not forget that smoking is for healing as well. It definitely does. Well, Anya. I would definitely call cigarettes as Anya. It's a cheek that bites. Every man out of its trousers. Bite back. And then to neglect all your promises. Otherwise, we know every wound heals at its weakest, Anya.